How to load the material stand. Taking the 3-layer masks as an example here. The non-woven fabric and the melt-blown fabric should be connected to the feeding conveyor belt and the pleated cloth roller. We recommend to remove the cloth baffle and cloth pressure plate before loading. When you install, please pay attention to the front and back of two non-woven fabric. The smooth side of two non-woven fabric needs to be aligned to face and outside of mask separately. When the material passes through the embossing drum correctly, we need to adjust the operation of the material in the pleated cloth roller. Place the material on the folds in 3 times. Make sure that the pleated mask is in the correct layered position. Run the melt-blown fabric along with the non-woven fabric. The melt-blown fabric will be correctly sandwiched between the 2 layers non-woven fabric. At this time, fix the removed cloth baffle and cloth pressure plate. The material is installed successfully. Solutions of mask baffle. Note that the material here needs to be higher than the baffle. If the material is not higher the baffle, you need to do manually that remove the baffle and lift the material. Then reinstall the baffle again. If the cloth pressing baffle in front of the embossing drum cannot operate normally, then adjust the screw here. If the fabric is not on the cloth pressing sheet, you need to dismantle the cloth pressing sheet separately. Manually adjust the cloth pressing sheet to achieve the best effect. Both sides passing through the mask blank machine. If different widths appear, then you need to adjust. The fixed screwdriver before the embossing drum into the width of the pattern on both sides are the same. Common problems and solutions of nose bridge. Finally, install the nose bridge into the nose bridge stream pressure. Be careful when adding nose bridge. The nose bridge should be embedded in the nose bridge roller. If the nose bridge cannot enter the internal layer of the mask correctly, you need to adjust the screw tightness of the nose bridge stream pressure appropriately. When the nose bridge is stuck in the roller or offset, you can loosen the fixing screws above the nose bridge first. Then remove the nose bridge from the hole of the roller and cut it. Then directly clip the bridge of the nose into the groove. After you complete the adjustment, install the nose bridge stream pressure. Pass the ear loop through the small hole on the outside of the ear loop machine round the top support pole. Pull and open the spring metal wheel in the inner side of the ear loop support frame. Put the ear loop between the two rollers. After the ear loop is rolled out of the inner two rollers, pass the ear loop through the small hole inside, cutting the ear loop module. Correctly round the three rollers undercutting the ear loop module. Pass through the prepared hole of the open pressing ear loop module. The installation of the ear loop is completed.